over at the net. Our game on Saturday at 2 p.m. It's Southwestern University going up against Ateneo. That's your Shakey's V-League on Saturday, 2 p.m. here in NBN4. De Los Santos with a serve. Araneta hitting it down the line. De Los Santos there to defend. De La Cruz hitting it off the block. Yumang waves off everyone for that set. And Fajardo with a good cross-court hit.
She tried that the first time on entering this game, but was unsuccessful. This time, that goes in. Ano naman tina-target niya yung area na niya? I can really see.
That's right.
Even her body position, her body language aims at that area.
Nice reception.
Let's see if she goes to that area once again, and she does.
That's too close. Let's see if De La Cruz can swipe it off, and she does. One more go for De La Cruz, but she was on her way down.
That's going to be a violation, crossing violation against Aguero. Well, CSP now with 9 attack points and Perpetual with 5.
So Perpetual is basically, doing it over the defensive end.
That's right. With their blocking.
Yeah.
On the serve.
That's right.
Plus from the errors of St. Benil.
A lot of them right now here in the first set.
Especially on the serve.
Well, Diaz
serving that away.
Misses that serve. 17-15.
Running.
Nice drop. But it misses the line.
It goes out. Had the right thing in mind. Poor execution though.
And Coach Mike Rafael just shaking his head, not knowing what to do.
She had the right thing in mind, but just a bit more power on that push.
That's right. Yumang sending it over to the posts, and no chance for her teammates to pick up that second touch. 2-point lead right now for Perpetual, 18-16.
Good nice floater.
Mistimed jump there from Loren.
That's right. Optana was almost behind her, but wasn't able to put that ball over.
Exactly. Now timeout. Let's listen in to Coach Thelma Barina Rojas.
Miss-set. Try to save the ball. Huwag niyong pabayaan ang bola. As long as buhay pa yung bola, umangat na kayo. Kanina, 2 na lang yan. 3. Kayang-kaya yan yung umangat. Huwag niyo lang pabayaan yung bola. Any situation na the ball. Try to save the ball. Pag nasa-atake, atak talaga. Ipupo niyo lang yung loob. Nasa sarili ba kayo?
There you see now a 3-point lead. Of course, Coach Barina Rojas, doesn't want that lead to grow any bigger. They want to catch
that timeout.
That's right. Again, Ian Laurel here with Mozy Ravenna. This is Season 8 of your Shakey's V-League, and the elimination round, like what we have been talking about, especially in the pregame. From both groups, one team will not make it to the next
That's right. The next level, which is the quarterfinals. So only 4 teams will go up. Kaya yun ang maganda dito sa tournament format natin eh. So eliminations pa lang, alam mong kano ka-importante each and every game.
That's right. And it is definitely a lot more important for the ladies in green and white, of course, to get this win right now, or definitely they have a very, very slim chance of going to the next round, the quarterfinal round.
Comfortably, Perpetual with 2 wins already. So nakakalahati na sila, 50%.
Almost a shoo-in for that.
Maybe winning this one would really
wala nang
assure them
nervyos, siguradong sigurado.
Going into the next round.
And they are definitely on the right track to do that with a 6-point lead. And after that timeout of CSP, they haven't produced any points. Still 16-22 for Perpetual.
Again, Fajardo with that mid-hit target. Now you can see Coach Mike Rafael pointing to that area. area of responsibility.
Exactly. Yan ang sinasabi nila, no? Whenever you choose a defensive pattern, talaga dapat meron kang zone na alam mong responsibilidad mo yun. Nice!
That's your real estate property. This time to Pino, sending it wide, going for the running hit.
Well, we can see that she can really hit it. But,
that's right.
She has to hit it into the court, though. Not anywhere else.
Ang nangangapa pa. Let's see, ha?
Oh my goodness, another service error.
Just making it easier.
Let's talk about that stat later. How many service errors did Benil give up? Final timeout by Coach Barina Rojas. Down by 5.
Hanggang nakabahan, wala na yan. Hindi na namin yan ini-entertain. Kasi pag hindi nyo ilalabas yung laro nyo, hindi ganun lang alalay yan. Walang alalay yan. Kanya-kanya kayong say for yourself inside. Kanya-kanya kayong makita ng laro nyo. Kasi kung mag-adjust kayo, ganun ang laro nyo, pigil na pigil. Okay, wala na problema.
Hey,
boom!
All right, 5 points down are the Lady Blazers here in set number 1 with the 17-year-old serving.
Nice sure serve. Oksana.
Ooh!
De Los Santos dunking it.
You know, De Los Santos, I've seen her play for, I guess, just over a year right now, and very marked improvement for this young girl.
But the first time we laid our eyes on her, we knew that she was going to be a big person in volleyball.
That's right.
Because you can really see the potential as a Perpetual. Take this first set of this game.
That's right. Easily the first set going to Perpetual, courtesy of a lot of errors coming from CSB as we look at our shaky shake and play.
That's right. Look at this point.
There you go, freebie right there for De Los Santos. Exactly. And again, the first set going Perpetual sway, 25-18. We will be back for the second.